Hello, I'm Dr. David Berceli, and we from the TRE community want to extend our condolences to anyone who has been adversely affected by the COVID-19 virus. We've really been observing what's happening around the world in all the different cultures and countries, and we're concerned at the stress and tension levels and how they are rising. And as you know, TRE is a self-help technique to actually help you self-care. So now that you are with your families, you can actually do TRE as individuals, as a family unit, or employers and employees who are under a great deal of stress as well. And we are offering these exercises free for everyone to access online so that you could do these exercises right in the comfort of your own home with your family and children. Also, on our website, we have certified TRE providers listed there from around the world in multiple languages who would be quite willing to guide you and direct you through the exercises so that you can feel comfortable and assured that you're doing them correctly and that your family can receive a great deal of benefit. You'll be able to get exercise, and it could be fun and playful. You'll be able to reduce the stress and anxiety of all the family members simultaneously. And even more fun and interesting is you'll have a new form of social engagement, something else to talk about, or a new way to interact with one another as a family if you do the exercises together. So please feel free to take advantage of the free online exercises or the TRE providers listed on our website and learn how to help your family come together in a different way to deal with stress and anxiety and tension so that you can get something growthful out of a very difficult situation in life. We wish you the best, and we certainly are concerned for your safety and your health. Thank you.